Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliann. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I suggest you watch my introduction video as well as my introduction to anxiety video. Today I printed out a little bit of the report card. So every 4 years, the American Society of Civil Engineers and government entities come together and they create a report card, we'll call it. So it basically shows how we're doing in a bunch of different subdisciplines, basically. So if you guys don't know how bad the infrastructure is in the United States, I'm going to try to put it in a little bit of perspective. So the last one that was done was in 2017, and I'm going to just kind of go through the grades that they gave for the major subdisciplines that I talked about. Remember, this is grading just like in school, A, B, C, D, F. You can find the report card for your state and see how your state compares and see that the problems your state is trying to deal with and how you can help. So, in 2017, in the United States, bridges got a C+, dams got a D, drinking water got a D, energy got a D+, hazardous waste D+, rail B, roads D, schools D+, solid waste C+, transit D-, wastewater D+, and then as an overall combination D+. Guys, that is horrible. That's awful. And that D+ was also there in 2013. 2005 and 2009 were both D. The last time that we had a C was in 1988. And the highest grade that I said was rail. It just blows my mind. And the cost to improve each of those categories at this point in time for the United States is 4.59, so almost $4.6 trillion. Our infrastructure is not good. We have so many bridges and roads and waterways that are struggling, but it's going to cost a lot to fix it. I was actually digging on the American Society of Civil Engineers, or ASCE, their website, and I came across one for water, since that's what I'm in, and I thought the statistics were pretty interesting. This is also for the United States. For drinking water, there are approximately 155,000 drinking water systems across the United States, and 56 million new users will be connected to centralized treatment systems over the next 20 years. And that was in 2017. And then finally, there are 240,000 water main breaks each year in the United States. That's a lot. That's a lot. For wastewater, there's about 800,000 miles of public sewage pipes in the United States and 500,000 miles of private lateral sewers. Those are a lot. So then, what I'm saying that, cool, those numbers are great. Yeah, every city has these things. Yeah, we all have treated water, or most of us have treated water. Yeah, we have sewer systems. Great, what the heck does that mean? Well, we have a lot of needs, like I just said. So the investment needs from 2016 to 2025. So now we're in 2020. So after 2020, we got 5 years. The estimated funding is $45 billion, but the needs are $150 billion So there's $105 billion gap of money that's needed. And yes, we have these great programs that fund, but it's more than that. It's just so much greater than that. And I didn't print them off, but there were some really good statistics for bridges and roads as well. There was options to choose your state, or you can look at overall the amount of bridges that need help, the percentage, the number. You can look at any of these categories I said, and a couple that I had missed, like aviation, inland waterways, levees, ports, parks and recreation. There's a couple that I didn't say. However, you can look at all those statistics. They are available. And every 4 years, the American Society of Civil Engineers comes together and they say, look, how are we doing and what can we do to make this better? So they come together with the government and they try to work things out. And I'll be honest, it's difficult. It's going to be a long road ahead. So that's one reason why I feel like I'm useful. I feel needed. I feel like I'm in a great place because I can see the impact that we're having on these communities, especially the communities that don't have much money. So it's incredible to see those changes. It's incredible to see it from start to finish. I'm finally far enough along where I'm getting pretty involved in these projects, and I just love seeing beginning to end. I love to see these clients who may have some of the worst water systems. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to do a video on the combination of my anxiety disorder and engineering, how those two work together. So hopefully that will be my video next week. I'm also going to do monthly reviews of the Ipsy bag that I get. It's 5 beauty products that I get once a month. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.